Are you thinking about starting a new chapter in a country where life is affordable and there are plenty of opportunities to meet new people? Whether you're planning for a peaceful retirement or just looking for a change of scenery, today's video will guide you through 5 countries that offer just that. These destinations not only provide a low cost of living, but also have a unique demographic balance with more single women than men. Stick around as we explore these intriguing options. Number 1. Ukraine. Ukraine is our first destination. A country rich in history and culture, Ukraine has become an increasingly popular choice for expats and retirees alike. One of the key attractions is its affordability. Compared to Western Europe, the cost of living in Ukraine is significantly lower, allowing for a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. Housing in Ukraine is particularly affordable, whether you choose to rent or buy. Cities like Kyiv, Lviv, and Odessa offer a range of options, from modern apartments to charming older homes. Additionally, Ukraine has a higher ratio of women to men, especially in urban areas, largely due to economic migration trends. Social life in Ukraine is vibrant and varied. The country is known for its lively festivals, rich culinary scene, and strong traditions. Healthcare has also seen improvements in recent years, with private health insurance being both accessible and affordable. Whether you're exploring the cobblestone streets of Lviv or enjoying the beaches of Odessa, Ukraine offers a blend of old-world charm and modern conveniences that make it an appealing choice for relocation or retirement. Number 2. Philippines. Next, we travel to the Philippines, a tropical paradise that offers not only beautiful landscapes, but also a welcoming community. The Philippines is renowned for its friendly and hospitable people, making it easy for expats to feel at home. One of the interesting aspects of the Philippines is its demographic balance, where the number of single women often exceeds that of men, especially in rural and provincial areas. Living in the Philippines is incredibly affordable, with a low cost of housing, food, and entertainment. Even in major cities like Manila and Cebu, you can live comfortably on a modest budget. The healthcare system is quite good, with private hospitals offering high standards of care at reasonable prices. For those looking to retire, the Philippines has a special visa program, the Special Resident Retirees Visa, SRV, which provides a hassle-free process for foreigners to settle down. The lifestyle in the Philippines is laid-back yet vibrant, with plenty of opportunities to enjoy the natural beauty, from stunning beaches to lush mountains. The cultural diversity is another draw, with influences from Spanish, American, and native Filipino traditions blending seamlessly. Whether you're interested in the dynamic city life or prefer a more tranquil coastal setting, the Philippines has something to offer everyone. Number 3. Thailand. Thailand, often referred to as the Land of Smiles, is another excellent option for those looking to relocate to a country with an affordable cost of living and a favorable demographic balance. Thailand's appeal lies not just in its affordability, but also in its rich culture, diverse landscapes, and vibrant social scene. Bangkok, the capital city, is a bustling metropolis with a mix of modernity and tradition. Despite its size and fast pace, living costs remain relatively low, especially when it comes to food, transportation, and housing. Outside the capital, cities like Chiang Mai and Phuket offer a slower pace of life with even lower living costs, making them popular among retirees. Thailand is known for its hospitality, making it easy for expats to integrate into the community. The country has a large expat population, particularly in cities like Chiang Mai, which is favored for its cooler climate and laid-back lifestyle. The demographic balance in Thailand also makes it an interesting destination, with more single women in many areas, particularly those less influenced by tourism. Healthcare in Thailand is excellent, with world-class hospitals in major cities offering high-quality care at a fraction of the cost in Western countries. Thailand also offers a retirement visa, making it easy for those over 50 to settle down. Whether you're drawn to the energetic streets of Bangkok, the serene temples of Chiang Mai, or the stunning beaches of the southern islands, Thailand offers a diverse range of lifestyles to suit any preference. Number 4. Latvia. Moving back to Europe, Latvia is a country that often flies under the radar, but offers a wealth of opportunities for those looking to relocate or retire. Latvia boasts a high standard of living at a relatively low cost, especially compared to Western Europe. The country's capital, Riga, is a vibrant city known for its stunning Art Nouveau architecture, bustling markets, and rich cultural life. Latvia has a unique demographic balance, with a higher ratio of women to men, particularly in urban areas. This is partly due to historical factors and migration trends. The cost of living in Latvia is very affordable, with low costs for housing, utilities, and daily expenses. The country's healthcare system is robust, with high-quality medical services available at a fraction of the cost compared to Western Europe. Latvia's appeal extends beyond its affordability. The country is known for its beautiful natural landscapes, including dense forests, serene lakes, and the picturesque Baltic coastline. Whether you enjoy outdoor activities or exploring cultural sites, Latvia offers a peaceful and enriching environment. The slower pace of life, combined with modern amenities and a welcoming community, makes Latvia an attractive option for those looking to retire or start a new chapter in a different country. Number 5. Belarus. Last on our list is Belarus, a country that offers an intriguing combination of affordability and a favorable demographic ratio. Belarus is often overlooked by expats, but those who choose to relocate here are often pleasantly surprised by what the country has to offer. Belarus is known for its clean, well-organized cities, extensive green spaces, and a slower pace of life, which is ideal for retirees. Minsk, the capital city, is a modern metropolis with a low cost of living, particularly when it comes to housing and daily expenses. Belarus has a high ratio of women to men, particularly in urban areas, making it an interesting destination for those looking to start a new life abroad. The healthcare system in Belarus is accessible and affordable, with many expats opting for private healthcare for additional comfort. The country's social scene is welcoming, with a strong sense of community and numerous cultural festivals that bring people together. Belarus is also well connected to the rest of Europe, making travel convenient for those who wish to explore further afield. Belarus offers a unique opportunity for those looking to experience life in a country that's off the beaten path. With its affordable cost of living, welcoming community, and beautiful natural landscapes, Belarus could be the perfect place to start your next adventure. And there you have it, 5 affordable countries with high numbers of single women and low male populations that offer exciting opportunities for living in retirement. Each of these destinations has its own unique charm, whether it's the historical richness of Ukraine, the tropical beauty of the Philippines, the cultural diversity of Thailand, the serene landscapes of Latvia, or the hidden gem that is Belarus. These countries not only offer a lower cost of living, but also provide a welcoming environment where you can enjoy a new chapter in life, meet new people, and experience a different culture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on living, travel, and retirement. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.